Hi everyone, Dave Green here again and welcome back to my channel. Today I share with you the best tips and tricks on how to make money online with affiliate marketing. In today's video, I'm going to show you a product that I've been using for a while, and that has helped me generate just over $1,000 per day in passive affiliate income. It's called Paul Murphy's Gold Membership, and it's a game changer for anyone who wants to create high-converting funnels for any niche or product. But before I tell you more about it, make sure you hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so you don't miss any of my future videos. And if you want to get access to Paul's Gold Membership, free for 14 days, just for saying maybe, then click on the link in the description below. Trust me, you don't want to miss this once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. Gold Membership from Paul Murphy is a program created by Paul Murphy, a very successful online marketer from the UK who has made over $1 million per year, using only free traffic from Google and YouTube. He has developed a unique system that allows him to rank any video on the first page of Google and YouTube within 24 hours, without spending a dime on ads. He calls it the magic traffic funnel, and it's the backbone of his entire business. With Paul's Gold Membership, you get access to his magic traffic funnel template, his 24-hour ranking system, his weekly live training calls, his monthly exclusive training sessions, his $14,000 bonus stack, his 40% affiliate commissions on all products, and much more. It's like having Paul as your personal mentor and coach, guiding you every step of the way. Paul's Gold Membership works in 3 simple steps. Step 1. Set up a free YouTube channel around a niche, and choose an affiliate product that you already use and are passionate about that will generate lifetime value of $80 or more. If you have your own product, you can use that too. Step 2. Use the Magic Traffic Funnel template to create a high-converting funnel that will drive free traffic from Google and YouTube to your videos and your offers. The template is designed to keep people on Google's platforms, showing them their ads, which makes Google happy and rewards you with higher rankings. Step 3. Use the 24-hour ranking system to optimize your videos for SEO and get them on the first page of Google and YouTube fast. The system is based on proven strategies that Paul has tested and refined over the years. You don't need any technical skills or experience to follow it. The Gold Membership has many benefits for anyone who wants to make money online with affiliate marketing, or indeed a local business. Here are some of them. You get free targeted traffic from Google and YouTube without spending any money on ads. This means you can save thousands of dollars on advertising costs and increase your profit margins. You get access to a proven system that works for any niche or product. You don't have to reinvent the wheel or waste time on trial and error. You just follow Paul's blueprint and see results fast. You get ongoing support and training from Paul and his team. You can join the live weekly calls, watch the replays on demand, ask questions in the private Facebook group, and get priority email support. You're never alone in this journey. You get exclusive bonuses and perks that will help you convert more sales and grow your business. You can use Paul's $14,000 bonus stack as your own or add it to your existing bonuses. You can also earn 40% commissions on all products as an affiliate partner. Click the link in the description below to get a 14-day free pass to the Gold Membership from Paul Murphy. The Gold Membership from Paul Murphy is normally $297 per month, which is already a steal considering the value you get. But if you act fast, you can get a free pass for 14 days, and then lock in a grandfathered price of only $97 per month forever. That's a huge discount of 67% off the regular price, and you can cancel anytime with one click from within your membership. There's no risk or obligation. But you have to hurry, because this offer won't last long. Paul is only accepting a limited number of new members, and once the spots are filled, the price will go back up to $297 per month. If you want to join Paul Murphy's Gold Membership and start making money online with free traffic from Google and YouTube, all you have to do is click on the link in the description below. You'll be taken to a secure page where you can sign up for your 14-day free trial and get instant access to the program. But don't wait too long, because this offer is only available for a limited time and it may expire soon. So go ahead and click on the link below and join TripFunnels Gold Membership today. You'll be glad you did. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you found it helpful and informative. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Please, don't forget that money loves speed. Take action now and plant those seeds today for your future wealth. Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any of my future videos. I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.